Morning everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a gorgeous Mulberry Amberley satchel to show you today. Sorry, and it's in this beautiful oak coloured leather, and that's one of my favourite colours for Mulberry. It's just gorgeous. So I'll show you the features. So we've got one long strap, and that's adjustable, so we've got it on the shortest setting at the minute. We've got flap closure with this rider's lock fasten, and I really like this. It's kind of, we're used to seeing the postman's lock on Mulberry, but it's a nice alternative and it makes a nice feature on the bag, which I really like. So I'll open it up and show you the inside. So in here we've got this beautiful suede lining, and then we've got one flat pocket at the back there. We've called the condition of this Mulberry good all around. The exterior we've called good. You can see where it catches that light, it's got kind of like a ripple on that flat closure, which is the main reason we've called it good. But if I show you kind of these corners, each of those corners are still in really nice condition. The base is still in nice condition. Just looks beautiful overall on the exterior. Similar situation with the hardware, we've called that good as well. If I just show you close up that rider's lock, can see that it started to dull and that gold tone started kind of to fade a little bit on that lock. I'll open it up again and show you the inside. So interior, again, we've called good. That suede has just got a few marks on it, but again, it's still in beautiful usable condition. And the thing with Mulberry is it just gets nicer and gets more character and gets more beautiful as you use it, so it will just age really, really nicely. While you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags that we have to show you. I'll show you what this Mulberry comes with. So we've got two little product tags there, and then we've also got Mulberry care card and Mulberry dust bag as well. So if you wanted to know the exact measurements for this bag, you can go to the link in the description below. That's the link to shop this Mulberry, and it should hopefully take you directly to this bag. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our Donate product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we know a lot of you guys love Mulberry, so what you can do is you can get onto our request list. Let us know that you love this bag, we'll get you onto our request list, and then hopefully next time we get in one like this, you'll be able to get in there quick, because we'll send you through an alert with a link to shop. So yeah, get yourself on that request list. I'll show you the size on me, so if it's any help, I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and again at the moment we've got that strap on the shortest setting, but you've got quite a few more settings, so if you prefer it a bit longer, you have the option to do that. So you can have it on your shoulder like that, or you can pop it over and have it as a crossbody as well. And the Amberley satchel, especially in this colour, is just a gorgeous everyday kind of bag, especially for the winter months. It's just really, really nice. So for more details on this bag, you can go to the link in the description below. Have a browse to our website while you're there, sign up to our newsletter, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us. And don't forget to have a look at the How to Sell With Us page on our website as well. If you've got any bags that you'd like to sell with Armcandy Bag Co, then you'll find all the details you need to know on there. And that's all I have for you, so I'll see you later with some more Armcandy.